Welcome to another informative video from O'Brien Estate Law LLC, where we make estate and business planning simple and effective. Today, we're exploring a powerful tool for protecting your loved ones and preserving your legacy: how to use life insurance effectively within an estate plan. Life insurance isn't just about providing financial support after you're gone. It can be a key strategy to ensure your estate plan works exactly as you intend. Here are some smart ways to use it: covering estate taxes and debts, equalizing inheritances, funding a trust, creating liquidity. Covering estate taxes and debts. Life insurance can provide immediate cash to pay estate taxes, funeral expenses, or outstanding debts. This prevents your heirs from having to sell valuable assets, such as a family home or business, just to cover these costs, and keeps your legacy intact. Equalizing inheritances. If you plan to leave a family business or property to one child, life insurance can be used to provide an equal cash inheritance to other heirs. This helps prevent resentment or disputes among family members and ensures everyone receives a fair share of your estate. Funding a trust. Placing a life insurance policy inside an irrevocable life insurance trust (ILIT) keeps the proceeds outside your taxable estate. This strategy not only reduces estate taxes but also allows you to control how and when the funds are distributed to your beneficiaries. Creating liquidity. Life insurance ensures your loved ones have immediate funds to handle expenses while your estate is being settled. This quick access to cash can help cover ongoing living costs or urgent financial needs without waiting for probate to conclude. Every family situation is unique, and the right approach depends on your goals, assets, and tax considerations. Want to make sure your life insurance is working as effectively as possible within your estate plan? Contact O'Brien Estate Law LLC today. We're here to help you protect your wealth and provide peace of mind for the people you care about most.